everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make something called construction art. So what it is basically you take a raw piece of wood like this and you take some peeled stick tile, you cut it and you put it in the middle here, or however you like. So I got these at Daiso, and I'm going to cut it in twos. So two here, and two here. Then I'm going to make a strip in the middle here. So what you want to do is you want to open this up. There we go. This was $2. So what you want to do is on the grout line here, cut that. On this grout line, cut this just like this. Make sure you keep the back on it while you're doing it, so that way it doesn't get stuck to your fingers or anything like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel it off, center it the best I can, just like that. Then I'm going to peel this off. And again, I got this at Daiso. It was $2. So I'm going to do the same thing in the middle here. There we go. So on this one, I'm going to put it at the end here. Just like this. And on this grout line here, what you want to do is do that. So there you go. Now you're left with this. So I'm going to put that there. So there you have it. This is what it looks like. And this is designed for the construction enthusiast you might have in your life. Or if you're a construction person and you want some sort of artwork up in your shop, this is the way to do it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.